Good morning to all. This is for class 6 MSc. Class 6. Today we are going to start our chapter number 3, that is calm mind and a pleasant behavior, the right attitude. Concept. Along with the regular exercises, right eating and personal cleanliness, a calm and composed mind, a positive outlook and pleasant behavior will help you perform better in your studies, enable you to tide over everyday problem and overcome sundry obstacles. Besides making you an object of affection and more popular with your colleagues, friends, elders, teachers, and juniors. Once you replace negative thoughts with the positive one, you will start having positive results. So the chapter is all about calm mind and pleasant behavior, the right attitude. Means if you have calm mind and good behavior, then you will become very famous, very popular among all your friends, colleagues, teachers, elders, and your juniors. So, along with the physical exercise and right eating, we should have calm mind and pleasant behavior that enable to perform us better in everything. So one should always have calm mind. It also help us to overcome from the obstacles, from the problems. Now overview. Ravi was never popular with his friends and acquaintances because of his sulky behavior and negative attitude. He fluently got upset and disheartened by the little problem that he faced routinely. All this affected his studies adversely and his grades dropped. Then Ravi changed, and this changed his life. Here's how. So what happened? Ravi was never popular among his friends and relatives. Why? Because he was not having a calm mind or a pleasant behavior, but instead of that, he used to have negative attitude. He most of the time he used to get upset or disheartened by little problems. So this also affect his studies, and he is unable to study properly and he is getting less grades. Then suddenly one incident had happened in his life which changed his life totally. Now what was that incident? That we will study in this chapter. Now starting the chapter. Once a pleasant Sunday morning, Ravi felt like being alone for a while. He had his breakfast and went out for a walk along the well-laid out garden at the center city. He sat on the wooden bench under a clump of neem and peepal trees and looked morosely at the row of the flower bed that adorned the lonely garden. Nothing seemed to lift his spirit, neither the bird twittering among the leafy buds, nor the colorful flower or the children gaily playing around. Now, it was Sunday pleasant morning. Ravi was feeling all alone, so he had his breakfast very fast and he went out to the city center garden. There he sat on the wooden bench. It was under the neem and peepal tree. So there was many things were happening there, but nothing can help Ravi to lift up his spirit. And what things were happening there? Like birds were twittering, small children were playing very gaily, means very happily, and colorful flowers were there. So all these things, we used to say that all these things are the sign of positivity, but by seeing this also Ravi was not feeling any positiveness. Now then he changed to look up at the tree. Then he the tree directly in front of him. Two birds were making a little nest. Curiosity arose. Ravi watched more instantly as the birds flew away and back, carrying tiny twigs, shreds of clothes, thread, and all sorts of little objects each time. The male bird skillfully wove these into an amazing fabric using its beak, and the nest was almost complete when a playful monkey jumped upon that very bug, and to Ravi's dismay, the impact dislodged and the unfinished nest, and it was swept away by the wind. The poor birds watched their labor go fruitless. Now what happened? He thought of seeing in front of him. So what he saw that two birds were making their nest. They are doing very hard work in order to make their nest. They are carrying tiny twigs, clothes, thread, and all sort of little object, so that they can make their net in a beautiful way. The net was almost complete. Suddenly what happened? A naughty monkey came there and he destroyed all the nest. Ravi was watching all these things, and Ravi thought that the birds was doing this much labor, and monkey had broken their nest within a second and make their labor go fruitless. Now what happened? Ravi thought of his own disappointment. How he studied hard long but failed to score well in the exam. How it was that whenever he attempted to do something good, it turned out otherwise. Now Ravi was start thinking about himself, that similarly I also do hard work in my life. I also do hard studies, but I fail to score good marks. Similarly, I also work hard to do something good, but I don't know how it turned into bad. Then sudden he was getting up to leave when to his utter amazement he saw the bird resume their short forays to bring the twigs. The nest slowly took shape again while the little birds labored patiently. Ravi felt himself to be a part of this tireless endeavor. He fervently prayed for the brave effort of these little creatures to be successful. Finally, the nest was complete and anchored. Now Ravi was just about to stand up and go to home, but what he saw the two little birds again start building their nest, again start doing the labor in order to build their nest on the same branch. Now as Ravi was seeing all these things with full curiosity, so Ravi started praying that Lord help these birds to make their nest successfully this time. This time any monkey should not broke this nest. Now the male gave it a few final tugs and satisfied sat proudly on the rim of its marvelous creation. Ravi was exhilarated. He had just learned the most important lesson of his life. He got up relieved of a great burden. As he walked home with a spring in his step, he vowed to take a positive approach to life and its challenges. He vowed to be happy and composed amidst failures and to never ever give up. So what happened? Now Ravi saw all these things, that finally their nest was built, and how they built, with positive attitude and hard work. So after seeing this, Ravi got a lesson. He got a lesson that with full positive energy, he will work hard, and he will always be happy. He will never get disappointed if in case he got any failure. He will never ever give up, and he will work hard until and unless he will not get success. So this was the incident that changed Ravi's life totally, and finally he started living with positive attitude. So the moral of the chapter is, if we have calm mind and pleasant attitude, then it is very easy for us to achieve the success. Now the question answer of this chapter I will provide you in next video. Till then, thank you.